Hello, in this tutorial, I will show you how to expand tables in Notion. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to expand tables in Notion. The first thing you need to do is to log into your Notion workspace using the web app, which I have done right here. So use notion.so in any browser of your choice, and it's going to take you right into the Notion web itself. Just follow the necessary prompts to sign in, and once you sign in, it's going to take you over here. The next thing to do is to go to the page where your table is located. I have a table in here, so this is my page, Happy Planner. You can find your page in the sidebar of your Notion workspace or by searching for the page using the search bar, which is at the top. If your table is within a database, this is a database, or a block, you can just click on it to open the full view. So this is my table. You can click as open as full page or however you want that to be done, but this is pretty much all I need. Notion tables can either be a database table or an inline table, which is like literally part of the page, or it can be a full view, which I say you can just go ahead and click on that table and set as full page, but I don't want that. For database tables, you can switch between inline and full page views, which I've shown right there. Okay. And so to make this table a full screen, all you need to do is to click on the table itself, all right, and select open as full page. Now, once you do this, this will expand the table to fill the whole page, making it easier to manage and view all columns and rows. Now, once you do that, you can hover over to the edge of any column on your table. Let's say, let's click. No. Now we have it as a full page. So you can hover over the edge of any column in your table, and where your cursor changes, all right, so you can hover over to the edge. And once your cursor changes, all right, to the double-sided arrow, you can go ahead and click and drag to adjust the width of the column to fit the content. Okay, so let's see how we can go there. I don't want to edit. I'm just going to click out and see how I can adjust the width. So I'm not seeing the double edge, but then if you find the double-edged column, you just go ahead and drag to adjust the width of the column. Now I'm not able to really do that here because this is an already established, like this is a customized template for me. Okay, but if you created your column from scratch, then you should be able to get that line and you'll be able to adjust the width as well. You can expand individual columns to show more text or reduce the size of unnecessary white spaces. Then you can add more columns or rows. Okay, and how do you add more columns or rows? So you can go ahead and click on this plus icon on the far right of the table, and once you click on that, you can now go ahead and choose any of these that you want, any of the property that will actually help you. And once you choose any of the property, that's it. It's just going to give you more time for you to keep adding more columns and rows. Then if your table is part of a database, of course, it's optional. You can switch between different views, which is here, just table. You can switch between table, board, list. So go ahead and click on that view button, which is here, and click on this plus icon that is right next to the view and choose any of your views from here. Also, you can make room for viewing or editing the table. All right, and to do that, you can, of course, it's very optional. You can enter full screen mode by pressing CMD plus Shift, that's for Mac, or Control plus Shift plus F on Windows. Now this hides the sidebar and expands the table to give you more workspace. So that's pretty much the process. Now you can go by the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be able to easily expand and manage tables in Notion. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.